In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create Hollywood-level cinematic AI-generated videos using Hailuo AI, one of the best AI video generators out there. And the best part, you can get started for free. I'll show you how to create prompts that help you get your desired result faster while maintaining style and characters, allowing you to let your imagination run wild. Now, if you're brand new to AI video generation or Hailuo AI, I'll link to an article below helping you understand the basics of Hailuo and how to get started. For those of you who know your way around Hailuo, I'll share the best prompt formats for text to video as well as image to video. Let's start with text to video. The basic formula for effective prompts is 1. Objective. What's the focus of your video? It could be a person, an animal, or an object. 2. Scene. Where is this happening? Describe the scene with as much detail as you want. 3. Motion. What's happening in the scene? Is the subject still or moving? Are there changes in the environment? For example, a dragon is breathing fire in a dreamy fantasy world. This should produce solid yet varied results. The more generations you try, the more varied results you'll receive. If you want to get more specific and detailed, add 4. Camera movement and 5. Aesthetic atmosphere. The more specific and detailed your prompt, the better results you'll receive. You will absolutely generate results that are a little wacky or not what you were hoping. You can either regen using the same prompt or adjust your prompt to be more specific and fix the issues. If Hailuo's text-to-video feature is leaving you frustrated, then give the image-to-video feature a go, which will allow you to create more predictable and consistent results. You can use AI image generators like Midjourney to create a set of consistent scenes. Upload them to Hailuo and add a prompt according to the formula, and voila! You can create Hollywood-level scenes at a minute fraction of the time and cost. If you have writer's block, copy and paste the formula in the comments below into your favorite LLM like ChatGPT and give it a rough idea of the video you'd like to generate, and let AI create the detailed prompt for you. If you'd like a detailed breakdown of how to get the most out of Hailuo, including additional tips and prompts, visit the article linked in the description and bring your cinematic imagination to life. Thanks for watching.